Hi, it's Jason Sonko from Olmsted Falls Intermediate School. Today I'm going to be showing you the box method on how to solve long division problems. Now, the box method is a really good method to use if your child or you struggle with organization of long division. Sometimes our numbers are messy, sometimes our lining them up it's really tough for us. So what's really perfect is this box method. Now I will say I think this box method is really good for divisors that are 1 digit. I don't necessarily know that it's great for 2 digit or 3 digit divisors. So this is a good method to get you started in understanding the long division process, but it may be more difficult for you to use when you get to bigger numbers as divisors. All right, so we're going to look at the problem 256 divided by 3. Now I'm making these spots a little bit bigger just so I can show you and properly model how you would go about doing this long division problem using this box method. All right, so the first step is it's the same exact process that we use for long division. We're still going to divide, we're still going to multiply, and we're still going to subtract. But we're not going to be bringing down anymore. I'm going to show you what we're going to do in just a second. So the first step is we're going to start with this 3 in the divisor, and we're going to look at 3 goes into 2. Well, 3 doesn't go into 2, so what we do is we take this and we put a 0 here. Now, with this, we still have to execute all of our steps even when we put a 0 here, because in order for it to work the rest of the way, we have to do this. So what we're going to do is we've just divided. Now we're going to multiply. 0 times 3. Well, 0 times 3 is 0. Now we're going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now this is where the box method changes from standard algorithm. Instead of us keep going down and bringing the 5 down, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take what's left and we are going to put it in the next box over, and we're just going to put it right in front of that number. Right? So now what we're going to do is now we're going to say how many times does 3 go into 25? 3 goes into 25 8 times. Okay? And then we're going to go 8 times 3. We're just repeating the process. 8 times 3 is 24. We're going to subtract 25 minus 24, and we're going to get 1. Now, once again, we're going to take this number and we're going to pop it up here in front of the 6. And we're going to go, how many times does 3 go into 16? Because we're just repeating the process again. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. And now we subtract 16 minus 15 is 1. Now I don't have anywhere else to put this 1. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this 1, I'm going to pop it up here, I'm going to put the remainder of 1. So as you can see, it has a lot of the same commonalities between standard algorithm of long division, but instead what this does is it makes it much more condensed and much easier for students that struggle with organization and keeping things nice and neat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.